So this is a huge milestone in the project. We're taking down the North Granville Loops. The machine being used is a mobile rotating pulverizer, and it has these powerful jaws that can actually chew through the concrete and the steel. We end up with a bunch of rubble, and that's transported off-site for recycling.
Another thing that people are going to start to see is work on the bridge deck. The center median will be removed, and then traffic will start to be reallocated as we start to rebuild the new connection across the bridge.